welcome to our first video on YouTube. This is Make Your Cartoon, and in which we will be presenting a lot of work and lot of very interesting caricatures and cartoons of celebrities and the cartoon characters you watch in your daily life. And whatever you will tell, you comment us that what type of caricatures and whose caricature you want to see, so we will also present that type of caricatures. The most important thing is that we will also upload some videos related to the tutorials of how to make your own caricatures and cartoons, so the people who don't know how to make the caricatures and cartoons, and obviously if you don't know the basics of sketching, then also you will be able to draw the caricatures, because we will be also uploading the basics of caricature and cartooning, how to sketch them. So for more, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and please press the bell icon which is just at the side of the subscribe button, so you will not miss any video of our channel, and you will be watching every single video of our channel, so you will learn how to make your own caricatures.